How to change language from Chinese to English on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language settings on your iPhone from Chinese to English. If your iPhone is set to Chinese and you prefer to use it in English, this quick and simple guide will help you solve the problems if you accidentally change the language to Chinese. Let's get started. Open the Settings app. Go to General. Select Language and Region. Change your iPhone's language to English. Confirm and wait for the change to apply. Watch the video to follow along and easily switch your iPhone's language. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.